Sorry for that power interruption. So again, let's continue. Let's have this example. The angle of depression of one side of a lake measured from a balloon 2,600 meters above the lake is 42 degrees. The angle of depression to the opposite side of the lake is 28 degrees. Find the width of the lake. So how are we going to solve that? Let's have an illustration. So this is the balloon and this is the lake. It was given there that measured from a balloon to the lake is for 2,600 meters. Another given, the angle of depression from the balloon to the other side is 42 degrees. Another, the angle of depression to the opposite side of the lake is 28 degrees. So, yan yung given. The question is to find the width of the lake. So, ito yung hahanapin. So, how are we going to solve this one? Again, let's focus on the other half. So, this forms 90 degrees. If we already have 42 degrees, what is the complementary angle of that? What is the measure of this angle? This is 48 degrees. So we're going to find the length of the other half. So let y. So having this one, we have this reference angle 48 degrees. We all know that y is the opposite and the 2,600 meters is the adjacent. So having opposite and adjacent, we are going to use the trigonometric ratio tangent. So let's input. We have tangent 48 degrees is equal to y, which is the opposite, over the adjacent 2,600. And letting y in one side, we need to multiply both sides by 2,600. So we have now 2,600 multiplied by tangent 48 degrees, which is equal to y. And that y is 2,887.59 meters. So, ito na yung length nitong side ng lake. How about the other side? So, again, take a look at this angle. This angle is equal to 90 degrees. So, if we already have 28 degrees, what is the complementary angle of that? That is 62 degrees. And hinahanap natin is the width of this one or the length of this side ng lake. So let Z represents this side. So having this reference angle 62 degrees, we all know that Z is the opposite side and 2,600 meters is the adjacent. So having opposite and adjacent, we use the trigonometric ratio tangent. So let's have this equation. Tangent 62 degrees, which is the angle or the reference angle, is equal to the opposite na Z over the adjacent 2,600. And letting Z in one side, we need to multiply both sides by 2,600. That becomes now 2,600 multiplied by tangent 62 degrees is equal to Z, and Z is equal to 4,889.89 meters. So, yan na yung length ng Z. So, the question is, what is the width nitong lake? So, we already have Y, we already have Z. So, in order for us to have the value of X, we need to add 2,887.59 meters and 4,889.89 meters. And that gives you a total of 7,777.48 meters. So, yan na yung total width ng lake or total length nitong lake. So, I hope you understand the angle of depression now. So, as a recall, angle of elevation, that is when you are looking upward. Angle of depression, when you are looking down. So, a simple clue, angle of elevation, elevate. So, mas mataas. Angle of depression, it's deep. So, mababa. So, that ends our discussion about trigonometry. So you review all the lessons in trigonometry because on Tuesday, we're going to have our summative fun. So that's all for today. Thank you.